Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken in a cream sauce with Parmesan. I'm using chicken thighs with the bone in. You could use a different part of the chicken if you want. It's very, very easy. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 1 kg here, or that's about 2.2 pounds of chicken thighs. So skin is on, bone is in. You can do this with a different part of the chicken if you want, but I like the thighs in this. We've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And then here we've got a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And then the combo I'm using is thyme and oregano. Some oil, I'm using a nice olive oil I've got here. Just want a little bit in there, just to sort of bring it together. You can see I've got a glove on. We're gonna go in and give this a mix. Then we're gonna get over to the cooker and start this off. Really simple, really delicious. Okay, so very simple. Pan there, dry. We've got oil on the chicken already. We're going to drop it in. The whole lot goes in. Now we're on a below medium heat. Don't go crazy here. We're going to cook these for about 8 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'll be flipping them and flipping them. Okay, they're looking fabulous. Off goes the heat. What we're going to do now is take them out and keep the oil that's in the pan. So the heat's back on, again below medium. We've got some lovely flavors happening there. I'm going to drop in 1 cup of onion cut nice and small. A little bit more salt and pepper. And if you wanted, you could get some more dried oregano or something else in there. And we're just going to go for about 4 minutes or so. Very simple. Now I'm keeping this straight. If you wanted, maybe get some bell peppers chopped in there, some mushrooms in there, a few black olives, maybe something like that. We're now going to add some cream. I've got a single cream here. There's 270 ml there. In that goes, as does half a cup of grated Parmesan. We're going to work this in for another 3 minutes, stirring all the time. Beautiful. And very simply, we're now going to get the chicken back in. And for about 4 minutes or so, we're just going to be coating the chicken in this beautiful, creamy Parmesan sauce. Very easy, very, very delicious. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Very, very simple. That's great with like some pasta or something, some spaghetti or something on the side. Really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
And for making it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.